Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to find hidden messages in Messenger. Okay, now first, if you want to get the hidden messages, you can simply go and open Messenger on your phone. Once you open it, you should click on the bottom right side and these three horizontal lines, then go and click on Archive, and you will get all the hidden messages just right here. You can even find the message requests. You go through here. These are the people that want to message you. And the good thing is that you can actually hide a specific message between you and someone by clicking on the chat itself. Then go and click on the person. And you should find an option saying hidden messages. Here in my case, I do not have it because, or hidden conversation, because I do not have the latest version. So let me try check if I update the messenger to the latest version. Will I get actually this option or not? I think I will find it. Okay, I will update it just like so. Now it's installing. Okay, now I'll click on open. Now I will try to go into any conversation. Let's say this one here, for example. And I click on the chat on the top right side or on the top left side. Okay, it's not visible, but this is how we can actually find hidden messages on Messenger. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.